Okay, so we're at a MuskOx Farm in Palmer, and that's a muskox. And over there is another one. Hope you stay cool, dog, okay? I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, there's the baby.
For her body to be in the normal
Oh my goodness.
I was wondering how they act to the heat.
So in nature, since they are an Arctic animal, they can deal with temperatures as high as 90 degrees to all the way as low as negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hi, little baby.
We just prefer that negative side more than anything else. And so this is very abnormal for us. We don't typically have this. We're trying to do the best we can to find out what to do with them. You know, so one of the things we're looking at possibly installing is sprinklers.
Yeah.
The only problem is we're the only place with a well on this entire road.
So little.
And it's not very deep. Like,
there's mommy.
We don't want to lose our well on accident.
Yeah.
And so with that, we're trying to think of creative little...
You come back. You came back. Hi there. You got a pretty face. Hi, Mama. How you doing? Huh? How'd you doing, Mama? How'd you okay? Come on, baby. Hi there. Hi there. You are a pretty guy.
So since he's also hanging out, if you guys do happen to notice his eyeballs, I know it might be a little weird to look at, but we do have horizontal irises.
Hi
that
there.
Is something that a lot of Arctic animals, especially desert
You can come up.
animals will have, and any other
It's okay.
desert animals
You're
have doors
just
with
a
his
model.
Yeah, he decided to check out the construction.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Pretty used to him.
More to eat with.
Getting out last year, or no, 2 years ago now.
Right?
While I was
More to
giving a
eat
tour,
with.
you know,
So he's the one that fakes being hurt.
hence why we save on the effort. You see him here. It's already right next to the barn.
Can you fall down like you're hurt? Huh? Can you fall down like you're hurt?
Yes, because
Today is Saturday, July 6, 2019, about 11:30 in the morning. We're in Palmer, Alaska, and this is what they call the Church of the Thousand Logs. So I had to stop by and see it. Quite sunny in this direction. They even have it open so you can see inside of it. So we're going to do just that. Windows out here to the side. Windows to the other side. Oh, and there's the name right there. Church of a Thousand Trees. See these big beams here? There's a place off to the side. Coat room and various things. Got a quilt over there on that side. A little bit of stained glass on each side. See if we can get these better. Yeah, there we go. That's better. And then over here, we got 3 others. Yeah, definitely get these better. Just regular windows there. Alright, so looking back from the front here, that's what it looks like. A little to the side, a little over here to the right. You see this lighting they got up here. It says exit. This will take you outside. There's the downstairs there. It's a big place. This This is a very big place. Yeah. So this obviously is an addition. The important part is this. If we go out this side, you can see all of it here. So they've tried to make this new addition kind of like it, but you see how much lighter it is. And I'm sure that's fake logs. Where's these? Look here. Get you in up close. Look at this. It's got spikes in there. Here. There's my fingernail. Just show you the size of those things. Those are big. Very big. Alright. So it's just one of the things I wanted to stop and see. That's what's on the doorway there. A sign there says United Protestant Church Presbyterian. Church school 9:30 a.m. Church worship 11 a.m. But that's the side of it there. I'll go around, we'll look at the back of it. Okay, so I'm back towards the back end side of it. Right there you can see. And I'm wondering, I think those are maybe birch trees. Not 100% sure. I don't think they're aspen. They don't look like aspen to me. But anyway, just come around a little bit. There's the very back end. Just cut through here. And there you go. That's what it looks like from the back end. All right. So Church of 1,000 Trees. Hope you enjoyed it. And hope you enjoyed that little plane going up overhead over there. Trying to interrupt my video. They always do that. All right. I'll see you on the next thing.